My name is Mark and I'll be taking you through GraphicMail's new iPhone application. With our new iPhone app, you can sign up new subscribers and edit existing contact details, send your newsletter, view recent subscribes and unsubscribes, and even track your sends. Now, it's a free application and you can download it directly from the iTunes store. Once you've downloaded the application and loaded it to your iPhone, the next step is to launch your iPhone application. Simply click on the icon. Now you'll be presented with a login screen. Insert your GraphicMail username and password. Choose your GraphicMail site according to your country. Then click the back button and click on the login button. As you log into your account, you'll land on the home page. It consists of a summary of your last 5 subscribers, your last 5 unsubscribers, and also your last send. Now at the bottom of the screen you'll see the navigation tabs. Let's take a quick look at the Add tab. This is basically your subscription form. Click on email address to enter the new email address. You may also choose to add additional mailing lists to the subscription form by changing this in the Setup tab. Now to add fields in your subscription form, once again set this up in the Setup tab. Now the Setup tab is where all your application custom settings take place, including datasets. It'll be over there. We'll chat about that a little bit more in detail a little later. Then click on Subscribe. Next we're going to take a look at Profile. Now to edit a profile, click on the Profile tab in the bottom navigation pane. Enter the appropriate email address, right over there. Choose to update it to a particular mailing list. The default once again is iPhone, as we have right here. If you'd like to set up your account with fields, you can now update that field. Then click on the Get Profile button to access the contact details. Once done with that, click on Update Profile. Next we're going to take a quick look at the send options. Insert the subject, from email address, from name, then indicate which mailing list and newsletter you'd like to send to. There is also a text option, then click Send. Let's take a look at the stats page now. Here you'll find a summary of all your statistics for your GraphicMail account. This includes date, time, mailing list, newsletters, sends, opens, deliveries, clicks, etc. with all the relevant details. Now you can drill down to the specifics with additional info like forwarded, complaints, user, unknown, domain, etc. Now to do this, click on your search criteria. For example, let me go into date. Now you can drill down, for example, in the opened, and you'll get the exact email address, date and time that particular email was opened. You can also view your graph stats by clicking on the tab at the top right. And lastly, let's take a look at your setup options. That's the fifth tab on the bottom right. You have the option to change your login, and you also have the option to change your layout. Now, click on this button to utilize the setup wizard. Now you'd use the setup wizard to select available mailing lists to add new subscribers to. Also select the extra fields, example first name, to show on your iPhone when adding subscribers. This screen basically indicates your address book utilized. In this case it would be our default address book. Now on the next screen you can select which fields to show on your iPhone subscription form. Simply click Next. Select the fields to display on the data set. We have the options of display and required. Now for example, if you'd like to display first name on the subscription form, simply click on the display icon and you'll basically place a tick in that circle. And then you're done.